LLMs and this sort of new wave of like AI via API, it is different, I think, than public cloud computing in the sense that I think with cloud computing, they were really able to present a huge cost savings in terms of upfront investment because the alternative was really well known, which is you have to build your own data center, right? And like
CapEx.
Building your own data center is, like huge CapEx. The first transaction costs you $20 million type of thing, right? Like it's really expensive. Whereas cloud computing providers could come in and say, well, we're going to save you all of that. So like, don't worry about the billing and the costs and like whatever, like don't worry about DevOps. Like look how much money you're saving. And you were saving a bunch of CapEx, but you were also indexing your OpEx to include this cost that would scale with you infinitely, which is why AWS became sort of the most profitable division of a company in the history of capitalism. I think with AI and with LLMs, it's a very different thing. Even though it's new infrastructure, it's kind of similar in that way. They are expensive. And so I wonder if the market dynamic is more, hey, this thing is expensive. Therefore, if you're selling this thing, you really should bundle it with a really good billing engine that allows your customers to price this out and to use your service in a really granular way that makes sense for them. So I wonder if the incentive around LLMs, even though I'm using this cloud computing DevOps analogy, I wonder if the incentive is very different this time around in terms of cost savings and more granular approaches to billing need to be a front and center value proposition offered by the providers rather than something that the market realizes it needs 5 years from now.